Welcome to RUDRA Surgicals from Mumbai, India. We are manufacturer and exporter of laparoscopic urology, gynecology instruments and equipments. Today we are introducing our premium quality Tanaculum, specially designed for safe and precise cervical holding in gynecology procedures. It provides strong and non-slip grip with a sharp, well-aligned hook for excellent control. You can see our Tanaculum is made from medical grade stainless steel, making it durable, autoclavable and corrosion resistance. This product is available in different sizes to meet various clinical requirements, ensuring comfort and precision for every procedure. For more details, you can contact RUDRA Surgicals from Mumbai, India. Thank you.